What is it for you like, Dr. Theo Acheampong? If I came to you as a friend and I said, look, I'm struggling, I can't even save. Talk more of investing the money that I have. What are the ways in which you can prepare yourself for investment in a tough time like this?
Yeah, that's a good question, and of course, the first thing has always been, or we've always been taught to live within our means, and you need to be able to live and have some little extra for you to be able to use to invest. But like Joe was rightly saying, there are opportunities, and opportunities actually do exist. But of course, it's all subject to one's risk appetite in that sense, and also how long you're prepared to actually wait for to benefit from the upside of those opportunities. So within the agri space, yes, but I think even if you're fairly more risk averse and you're not necessarily inclined to take on some of the more um, uh, risk bearing opportunities, then a good starting point actually is still going to be some of the government securities. So particularly, I'm talking here specifically about the treasury bills. So within all the brouhaha about the government debt restructuring and the other exercise that they've taken place, individual holders or people who bought treasury bills are not or have not been affected. And the government, even with the restructuring exercise, are still committed to honoring those obligations. So if you want a relatively pain-free investment, then in my point of view, the starting place really is the treasury bills for that matter. But again, it's not really about making a return because where we are now, a lot of these investments are giving you negative returns. So at best, what you just want to do is just to keep the value or retain the value of those investments. And once inflation starts coming down, and if you look at some of the forecasts that are available and some that I've also been privy to, inflation should start coming down or moderating from about the end of the first quarter of next year. Then from that point onwards, you're looking at potentially getting some sort of positive return. But for now, really, it's really about trying to keep as much value of those investments as possible. And I think that a starting point could still be the government treasury bills. Others too are thinking of, or I've got some of my friends who actually have bought other securities, so particularly like gold. Others have also got USD or dollar-based investments, all about trying to retain or to keep value, and not necessarily about making a significant return on it.
Yeah, you're talking about